Today in this video we are going to discuss about class 10 Cbse exercise number 1.3. So in this exercise mainly we are going to learn how to prove a given number is irrational. Already we know that like root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7 are all irrational numbers because decimal expansion of root 5, root 2, it will not be terminating as well as it will not be repeating, so that's why they are called irrational numbers. But here mathematically we have to prove it. It's okay, how root 5 becomes irrational, we have to prove now. So before learning this one you have to know some words like contrary or contradiction. Okay, then contrary means what is the meaning? Opposite, just opposite. Suppose I am telling root 5 is irrational, and if I say that root 5 is rational, that's opposite. No, irrational and rational is opposite. So this type of things what do you call now? Contrary, opposite statement. Okay, then the next one what you must know is if p is the prime number and this p divides in one number square in the form of a square now. So meaning is a square is divisible by p. What is p? P is prime number and this p divides a square. Then what will happen? P will divide a also. Okay, a square is divisible by p, then this a also will be divisible by p. It's the meaning co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers means do not have any common factor, not having common factor. Okay, two numbers do not have any common factor. What do you call? Co-prime. So any rational number means what we are going to do is we should write in the standard form. It should not have any common factor. P and the Q should be co-prime numbers and the Q should not be 0. Okay, that is called standard form of rational number. And also denominator should be positive all the time. Let us assume that root 5 is a rational. Okay, here what is the meaning here? Question already given that root 5 is irrational, but I consider here now root 5 is rational. This is called just contrary. Okay, just opposite to the irrational I am taking as rational now. Okay, so we are taking that root 5 is rational, but if root 5 is rational number means it can be written as p by q. P and the q should not have common factor. Then while solving this one, if p and the q, if there is any common factor means our assumption will be wrong. That is called contradiction. It's okay. Let us see here now. Root 5 is a rational number. Then it can be written as, therefore root 5 can be written as a by b, where a and the b are co-prime. Okay, if root 5 is rational number means a and the b should be co-prime. Okay, should not have any common factor now, and also b should not be 0. This condition should be satisfied first. Okay, now we have to verify. We are telling now a and b are co-prime, but while proving this one we have to prove that whether what we are considering is right or wrong. Okay, let us start now. Squaring both sides. What will you get? Root 5 square means root 5 into root 5 will come now, and this side will come a square by b square. Then this b square transferring this side, 5b square is equal to a square. Okay, what is the meaning here? 5 and the b square multiplying, answer is a square. 5 and the b square multiplying, answer is a square. That means compulsory a square will be divisible by 5. Let us see here now. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 and the 3 multiplying, answer is 6 now. So this 6 will be divisible by 2 and also divisible by 3. Okay, but here we don't know a and the b are integers, we don't know what number. So 5 and the b square multiplying, answer is a square. Compulsory a square will be divisible by 5. Okay, so now you have to tell here 5 divides a square. What is the meaning? A square is divisible by 5. That means what will happen now? 5 divides a also. This one you make it equation number 1. So what we got now? A is divisible by 5 means what is the meaning? 5 is the factor of a. Okay, now let us see again. Let a is equal to 5c. Here why I am taking a now? Here we got that we got 5 is the factor of a now. That now you just take this a is equal to 5c. Okay, why I am taking 5 here now? We are going to prove root 5. If you are going to prove root 3 means you have to take a is equal to 3c. If you want to prove root 2 means a is equal to 2c, like that. Okay, so here what is the meaning? C is the another integer. C is positive integer. C is positive integer. Okay, so now again squaring both sides, what will you get? A square is equal to 25c square. Both sides squaring, then what will come now? Instead of a square I can write as, because we got here now a square is equal to 5b square. So 5b square is equal to 25c square. Now this 5 and the 25 cancelling, b square is equal to 5c square. So what is the meaning here now? 5 and the c square multiplying b square we got. So what is the meaning here? 5 divides b square. If b square is divisible by 5 means b is also divisible by 5. So 5 divides b also. Okay, this one equation number 2. Now you just tell me, in the equation number 1 we got 5 divides a, meaning is a is divisible by 5. 5 is the factor of a. In the equation number 2 we got again same thing, 5 is the factor of b. That means 5 is the common factor of a and the b now. That means in the consideration what we have taken, a and the b are co-prime. So this consideration is wrong now. Okay, so from equation number 1 and 2, from equation number 1 and the 2 we got 5 is the common factor of a and the b. Okay, so our assumption contradicts that root 5 is rational. Therefore root 5 is irrational. Hence proof. So your question is, prove that root 3 is irrational. That one you have to do yourself.